Gati Shakti chair, we have taken proposals and part projects we plan taking infrastructure, like for example Latambarse, then Verna, concentrating on 2 IDCs estates like Verna and Latambarse. There are more takers for both. Infrastructure, roads, raw water, purified water, as well as internet and all those facilities, and more so connectivity. Roads sarke gorjeche. Everywhere we go, there are complaints that roads are bad. So we are paying attention to that. So works will be tendered, and whatever we can get help from the central government on Gati Shakti, we are going to take up projects on Gati Shakti. We have already, the first phase auction, all allotments, 15 successful bidders of the last auction were given allotment orders also. In the government, the plots which were given for employees also, even that we have taken up. Government has given already approval for clearing those files. But revenue to the IDC is the utmost. Care will be taken to see that what is due to the corporation, there is no compromise, including interest and including penalties and sogle. Coal block as an issue, coal block, it was, I forgot to mention. Coal block as an issue, coal, we have, whatever coal was allotted for Goa, we don't have it anymore, it's gone. Madhya Pradesh allotment also is lost. I mean, we don't have it. Now we have a proposal where we are putting it to the government, where if government approval is there, we will tell you that too for trading. But then we can't discuss anything because modalities, because we have got no mandate. That's what. So we can't discuss now because we have no mandate. If government gives us approval, then we will tell you.
So there is no coal block.
There is no coal block.